Jaldi. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you about Repost accounting ledger setting. It is a very helpful for the user who has recently started using Erpnext and if they are making a mistake in selection of expense head. It is a very helpful feature to correct the entry. So first, I'll introduce the use of this Repost accounting ledger setting. Here is one field doc type and the allowed checkbox. So if you select a document like purchase invoice and you tick this checkbox and save, then system will allow to system is always allowed to change the expense head, but in the ledger it was not affected before this feature. But now if you use this feature and you change the expense head, also it will affect on the ledger also. Like, let's do it practically. Purchase invoice, let's create a one new purchase invoice. So here you can see the expense head is by default stock receipt but not billed. Let's submit the. In this case, this expense head is correct, but let's assume that this expense head is wrong and you want to select another expense head. Then before this feature, we have to cancel the purchase invoice and amend, and we are creating a new purchase invoice. But after enabling this repost accounting ledger setting, you don't need to cancel the purchase invoice. You can simply add the document purchase invoice and the table, and you can directly change here. So we'll see in the detail. First we'll check the accounting ledger. So you can see here stock receipt but not billed account is affected. Sorry, yeah, stock receipt but not billed account is affected here. Now let's go to the GL entry list. Most of the people are aware about the GL entry list, and let's search the purchase invoice. So you can see here three GL entry is available. One is related to tax, one is creditor account, and third one is stock receipt but not billed account, which is we have selected in an expense head field. Now yeah, here it is a correct. This account is selected correct by default, but we are assuming that it is a wrong account, and I want to select some another account here. Maybe a correct account. Assume this is a correct account and old one was a wrong account. So uh, now I want to update this expense head, and also I'm expecting like that the ledger also will be changed. So let's update the entry and let's check a ledger, accounting ledger. So you can see in the accounting ledger, cost of goods sold account is affected, and before updating purchase invoice, before changing the expense head, here it was a stock receipt but not billed account, but now it is a cost of good. Let's check the GL entry list. GL. Here you can see the initially there is only three GL entries, but now you can see the something almost 9 GL entries are here. Now some of the GL entries are, you can see the cancelled tick checkbox is ticked. So when we update the uh, purchase invoice with the new expense head, that time system is first cancelling the old GL entry and it is posting a new GL entry. So the same thing will appear in the ledger also. Thank you and subscribe my channel. Thank you.